The African gray parrot is widely considered the most intelligent bird. Known for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech and their problem solving skills, African gray parrots have been observed demonstrating advanced cognitive abilities, such as understanding concepts of shape, color, and quantity, and even showing some ability to use words in context. Another highly intelligent bird is the New Caledonian crow, known for its impressive tool-making and problem-solving capabilities. These birds have demonstrated the ability to create and use tools to obtain food, showing an understanding of cause and effect.